Welcome to Llama Sensei, your AI-powered learning assistant designed to revolutionize your educational experience. With Llama Sensei, you can ask questions about your lecture content from platforms like YouTube and receive instant, accurate answers. Our chat feature utilizes advanced context retrieval, allowing you to pull information from your selected course or the internet. When you ask a question, Llama Sensei not only provides you with an answer, but also gives you the option to dive deeper into the context behind that answer. Plus, it provides reliability score and reference links with precise timestamps, so you can trust the information you receive.
And this is the idea behind our multi-layer RNN.
Need to add a new course? No problem. Just provide the course's URL and you're ready to go. You can even add new videos to existing courses for continuous updates. Join us in making learning more accessible and efficient. Check out Llama Sensei on GitHub today and start your journey towards smarter learning.